Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Revinate or other CRM touches, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Revinate dashboard. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Backup option within the settings. Click on the Backup option to proceed. You will see several backup options displayed. Select the type of data you wish to back up. This could include customer interactions, emails, or campaign data. After selecting the data type, choose your preferred backup format. Popular formats include CSV, JSON, or Excel. Next, specify the date range for the backup. Make sure to select the relevant period to capture all necessary data. Once your settings are configured, click the Export button. The system will begin processing your request. Wait for a confirmation notification once the backup is ready. Download the backup file to a secure location on your device. Be sure to verify that the backup file is complete and accessible. To back up other CRM systems, follow a similar process. Log into the alternative CRM dashboard. Locate the settings or export options. Choose the data you want to back up and the format. Specify the date range and initiate the export. Download and verify the backup file just as before. Regularly backing up your CRMs ensures data safety and accessibility. Consider scheduling automatic backups if your system allows it. Stay organized by labeling your backup files clearly. Maintain a backup history for reference and recovery purposes. This will help you track and manage your data effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.